Hello little chess champs. Today we are talking about the castling rules, the special move with a set of important rules. Let's break them down so you can use castling like a pro. Castling rules made simple. Very first time move rule. The king and rook must not have moved earlier in the game. If either pieces is already moved, the castling is no longer an option. Second rule will be clear path rule. No pieces in between king and rook. Neither king nor the rook is allowed to jump over any other pieces. For black cannot castle queen side because queen is blocking the path. And if we see the king, let's keep it the knight in the king side. So white king cannot castle king side for the same reason. So rule number 3, no castling out of check. You cannot castle your king is in check. Rule number 3, no castling out of check. You cannot castle king if your king is in check. For example, if your king is in check, so you cannot castle. Rule number 4, no moving into check. The king cannot land on or jump over the square is in under attack. For example, here check is here, so king cannot castle in this location. Whether king side castle is not possible. And for white side, there is, if it is no check, then white side castle is possible. Whether this queen side, is it possible? No, because if the king is coming here, then the check is there. So queen side also check is not possible. So rule number 5, safe jump rule. The square the king jump over during the castle must not be under attack. So if jumping, it should not be under attack. So this is not possible. Castling is not possible. It is okay if the rook is under attack. Here the rook is under attack, but that is okay. Rook safety does not affect the legality of castling. So for queen side, you can see the square b1 and b8 can be under attack without any issue, but we can able to castle. Now see the another castling scenario. So black side castling option first. Black side castling option. Black king is in check. So castling is not an option. But how to fix it? Black can escape check by capturing the bishop on b6 or blocking the check with another piece, for example d7. If black moves the king to the escape, castling will no longer be possible for the rest of the game. So blocking. Now castling is possible. So which side castling is favorable for black? If king side castling, if black did, then bishop have no support. If queenside castling, if did, bishop is supported by king and rook. So queenside castling is the good one. Now we will come into white castling options. Now see the scenario. Queenside castling is cannot castle queenside because knight on b1 is blocking the path. Kingside castling. White can castle kingside because the path is clear and none of the square the king crosses or land are under attack. So kingside castling is possible. Use castling wisely to safeguard the king and the rook into an action. It is a powerful move that can make a big difference in your game. Great job, little chess champs. You have mastered the rules for castling. Keep practicing and soon you will know exactly when and how castle in your games. Happy learning, little chess champs. See you in the next lesson.